How to make a pig pie or onion bread. 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast and 3/4 of warm milk and a pinch of salt for the dough. So now, if you don't have, how we're gonna use bread machine. If you don't have bread machine, then you can knead it. It's not really that bad. All I want to do, if you have a mixer or a bread machine, you sit it into dough. See, if you have a bread machine, you sit it to dough. See, dough, and then there, and I'm gonna dump it first. That's not matter. You just dump all of it. There, and then milk, and then yeast. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it. Alright. There. A pinch of salt. Not much, just a little bit. Then add 2 cups of, see, 2 cups of flour or all-purpose flour. Then start. Okay, while waiting, this is the dough. Then we put two or 3 drops of yellow food coloring, like this. Okay, if you want it darker, you can put more food coloring. Any kind of food coloring will work. I use the gel one, the cheapest one. So I will wait. Okay, this is the dough, and I put oil in the top so it will not stick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread this one and roll so it makes it flat here. I'm gonna roll it. Roll it. Continue. Okay, there. Just do as much as I can. It's not really perfect, but it's just like that. So we're gonna make a filling. Our ingredients is green onion, 3/4 cup butter, and 1 1/2 cup flour, then 1/2 cup brown sugar or dark sugar, doesn't matter, and optional water or milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Or if you don't have bread machine or mixer, you can mix it manually. It's not really bad. I tried it the first time. I'll just add this later. You can do, I use the frozen green onion, but if you have a fresh one, you can use that much better too. Select. Start. Yeah. You know, I'm lazy, so I have to use this mixer. But it's not really bad if you do it manually. Okay, and I'm gonna add, mix. Okay. Okay. Then you just put it in the middle, and then you roll it. Not really perfect, but try. There. Okay. seal the end. Okay, I flip it over. Then next is gonna make do it like that. Not really perfect. Then leave it for 45 minutes before you bake it, and then you put egg on the top, your egg wash. Egg wash on the top before baking. After 45 minutes, before we bake for 350. Put egg wash if you want to look brown. Okay, that's ready to bake. Okay, gonna bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. It's up to you. If you want it lighter, then lesser than that, and if you want it darker, more darker, you can adjust the 25 to 30. Okay, put this in here. Put that one like that. Put it for 25 minutes, and if I want it darker, I'm gonna put 5 minutes more. Okay, it's done. It's little, you have to wait until it's cold. Mine is I cut it hot because I'm impatient. I don't want to eat it. So it's done, and it tastes yummy.